Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to make the AUG that I use in Warfare. This thing's a laser beam, 2-tap headshots from up to 50 meters away. Now, in the modify page for the AUG, go to the barrel, AUG Elite Bipod Long Barrel, muzzle, Whisper, Tactical Suppressor, foregrip, Phantom, Vertical Foregrip, mag mount, any of them work, stock, AUG Stock Pad, cheek pad, Universal Cheek Pad, optic, Cobra Accuracy Sight. You can use any one you want there too, but I prefer the Cobra Accuracy one. For all the patches, we're going to run the Casey Hound Headguard panel. This will give the gun a real high stability. If you go to the calibrate page, go to the barrel. Weight limit, 14 grams. Length, 1.2 millimeters. Foregrip, placement, default, thickness, all the way up, plus 20 millimeters. This gun here is really good from close to mid-range. The AUG actually has a boosted headshot modifier so that it kills people in the head in 2 shots. And you can see it really is accurate from this mid-range here. Kills people very fast. Now, the biggest downside to this build is the accuracy is not immaculate. It still gets the job done when you really need to. If you're like really barrel stuffing somebody, it'll work. But try to avoid getting into those situations as much as possible. Unless you really... Now, you can see from these actual in-game clips that this gun rips.
It's our chance to keep attacking. Objective Charlie 1 has been captured by the enemy. Adjust tactics. That's a wrap! Minimal losses. Enemy located! We need to keep defending the sector.
Smoke barrage ready. Watch out for the flash! Smoke barrage ready.
Objective Bravo 2 was captured by enemy forces. Allied forces are... Be advised, enemy troops are attacking Objective Delta 1.
We have taken Objective Bravo 2. The enemy is attacking Objective Bravo 2. We've neutralized Objective Bravo 1.
Found them!
Roger that. Artillery barrage incoming. Objective Bravo 1 is ours. Objective Bravo 2 has fallen into enemy hands. Allied troops launching an assault on Objective Bravo 2. Bravo 2. Allied troops neutralizing objective Bravo 2.
Artillery barrage ready.
We've neutralized objective Bravo 2.
Watch out for the flash!
The enemy has taken over objective Bravo 1.
Enemy located! Strategic beacon ready to deploy.
Objective Bravo 2 is under attack.
Give this video a like and subscribe if you liked it. Test out this gun in game. Let me know what you think about it.